Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the examples on exercise 8.1 which is based on binomial distribution. So let's see the example number 10. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. In this example, one thing is given, the number of throws of a single die. Here number of throws are 6. So this is the value of number of trials. That is the value of n is equal to 6. Also, we have to find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes. That is, here we have to consider x. Here x is 6s appears. 6s appears. So, and we have to find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes. So, maximum value of 6s is 2. So, possible values of x are 0, 1 and maximum value 2. Maximum value is 2, that is the possible values of x are less than or equal to 2. That is 2, 1 and 0. Now here also find the value of p. P means the probability of single trial. Here when we throw a die one time, then we get the possibility of 6 is 1 upon 6. Here the numbers on die is 6 and possibility of 6s is 1. So probability of 6s is 1 upon 6. Now here we consider x as a 6s appears. Then the value of p is equal to 1 upon 6. Chance of 6 is 1. So probability of 6s is 1 upon 6. Now the value of q is 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus p. That is 1 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. So the value of p is 1 by 6 and q is equal to 5 by 6. Now here we know that the value of p, q and n. Here n is equal to the number of trials. In this case, number of trials n is equal to 6. Now by binomial distribution formulae, we get by binomial distribution x follows the binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Now here we have to find the probability for x is equal to at most 2 sixes. Here x is equal to at most 2 sixes. That is the probability of x is equal to the possible values of x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Probability of x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 means probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Now addition of all these probability is the probability of at most 2 sixes. Now we have to find the probability for x is equal to 0. We know that binomial distribution formulae. Here the probability for x is equal to x is equal to ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. And in this example we know that n is equal to 6, p is equal to 1 by 6 and q is equal to 5 by 6. So substituting all these values and with the value of x is equal to 0, we get n means number of trials 6. C, here the value of x is 0, so 6C0 into here p is 1 by 6. So by substituting the value of p and q and x is equal to 0, then 1 by 6 raised to 0, 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 0, n minus x, n is 6 minus x is 0, plus probability for x is equal to 1, 6C1, 1 by 6 raised to 1, 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 1, plus probability for x is equal to 2 by binomial distribution formula. We get 6C2, 1 by 6 raised to 2, 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 2. Now by calculating all these terms, we get 6C0, the value of 6C0 is 1, 1 by 6 raised to 0 is 1, and 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 0 means 5 by 6 raised to 6, plus 6C1, the value of 6C1 is 6, 1 by 6 raised to 1 is 1 by 6, and into 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 6 raised to 5, plus 6C2, the value of 6C2, calculating the 6C2 is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2, 4 factorial. Write the 6 factorial in terms of 4 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, then 4 factorial will be cancelled and 2 factorial is 2, 2, 3, 6, 3 into 5, 15. So the value of 6C2 is 15 into 1 by 6 raised to 2 into 5 by 6 raised to 6 minus 2, 4. Now here 5 by 6 raised to 6 only, plus 6 cancel, 5 by 6 raised to 5 by 6 raised to 5, plus here 15 into 1 by 6 raised to 2 and into 5 by 6 raised to 4. So here write the 15 in terms of 5 into 3. So this 5 added in this 5 raised to 4, then we get 5 raised to 4 in the next step, and 6 square into 6 raised to 4, that is 6 raised to 2 plus 4, 6. 5 by 6 raised to 6 as it is, plus 5 by 6 raised to 5 as it is, plus this 5 raised to 1 added in this 5 raised to 4 plus 1, then we get 3 into 5 raised to 5. By adding indices of 5, then 5 raised to 5 upon 6 raised to 6. Now again five raised to 6 raised to 6 plus 5 raised to 6 raised to 5 plus 3 into 5 raised to 5 upon 6 raised to, this can be written as 5 by 6 raised to 5 and 1 6 separately. Then in each term 5 by 6 raised to 5 is common. So taking 5 by 6 raised to 5 as a common, and the remaining terms in every terms is 1. Here 5 by 6 raised to 5 is common, so remaining term is 5 by 6 plus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 6, that is 3 by 6. 5 by 6 raised to 5 as a common. Here taking the same denominator 6, then we get 5 plus multiplying 6 to both the numerator and denominator, then 5 plus 6 plus 3, adding all these terms, then we get 5 plus 6 11 plus 3 14 by 6, and shortest form of 14 by 6 7 by 3, dividing by 2 7 by 3. So this is the required answer for the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. So the probability for at most 2 sixes is 7 by 3 into 5 raised to 6 raised to 5.